Hey guys, what's up? I am super excited. It is Monday night. It is 3:15. I got off work and I'm headed to the Rose Bowl. Craig and I are tailgating down there, so I'm super excited. It was my Christmas present. I've never been to a bowl game. Yes, I've been to a few Ohio State games. We've always won, so hopefully I keep that tradition going. And we're gonna bring you guys along. So even if you don't like the Buckeyes, please keep watching. It's going to be a fun experience. I've never been to a bowl game. So now I get to drive all the way to Pasadena, California. Alright guys, I made it. I found Craig. Here's our camper, our setup. Unfortunately, we're next to some Washington people, but they're really cool. So I'm gonna see if Craig will go on a scooter ride so we can get a little bit of the Rose Bowl before the game, the night before the game. Anyway, I'm bringing you along because you guys know how much I love the Buckeyes, so here we go. I just wanted to say that. Yeah, cool. Aw, look at the bears at the top. They're holding hands. There's the cowgirls. Aw, Happy New Year. Look at their shoes. They're all glittery.
Love that, huh?
Oh, I do love that. Oh, that's the one I want to be on, where that guy's jumping.
House?
Yeah, he's like jumping.
Still waiting on somebody to step in a huge load.
Brennan, it's gonna be this guy with his swinging nuts. How cool! That's super cool. Look how soft. I want to touch that horse. He looks so soft. Oh, he's being out of control. You think this guy's tired of jumping yet?
Would you be tired of jumping?
No. Yeah, I probably would. I would. I'm not even gonna lie. And I would have to pee, because trampoline makes me have to go pee. Oh, this is me Colin's song too. We used to jump to this song.
They're singing it live.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
The guy's singing it.
Yeah.
Babe, I need... Look at her dancing. She's taking off. Look at Jeff going up there. What did we do? We got up there and started jumping. That is the coolest. Whoa, they got a whole band. Here's another float. Smith's Pop's car. Oh, this guy's burning out, yeah. Oh god, I would not want to be the people standing behind him.
My float. I do this.
Oh, this guy's out of control over here. Oh man! How cool!
Do you like to dance?
I like when they jump up. Hey look, it's a whole Chipotle float. This horses!
Like I know what that means.
Hey, look, it's the American word. Jeff will tell you what that means. The sunflower is extremely happy. Walking into the Rose Bowl. He's with me.
There's the Goodyear blimp.
There's the blimp. Oh my goodness. Sorry, they don't allow gimbals in the stadium, so you're getting Erica handheld.
It's gonna be rough.
It's gonna be rough. I'm trying to hold you steady. Look at that! We're going to the Rose Bowl. We're gonna be on game day. What?
I think it's over. It's over.
You guys, we made it through security. Super excited. Look how old school this photo looks on Craig's back. Hi. Oh, they didn't tear it off.
That was difficult.
Yeah, you were. Of course. Oh, sorry, baby.
186 pounds, number 92, Jalen Johnson.
Oh, there's the blimp. We're here, babe. We are here. Are you excited?
Yeah, of course.
Are we gonna buy one of these?
Yeah, I know.
Babe, welcome to the Rose Bowl. How much do you pay for that beer?
$15.
$15 for a Coors Light, y'all. It's alright. Go Bucks! $18 for a cocktail. Do it, Jeff! OH it! Let's go, Buckeyes! Making some memories. Look at this crowd, everybody. Washington who? Ha ha ha. Nobody likes Washington. Okay, maybe that crowd right there. But the rest is all red. The best damn band in the land. Here we go. Look at them. Oh, the guy is dotting the I's from Marysville, my home team. Or my hometown. I did not know that. Sorry, I'm loud. I'm very loud. Hang on, Slippy, Slippy. O-H-I-O. O-H-I-O. Yeah! Put on Brutus! Yeah! Dun, 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 dun. Here we go, let's get to Ohio! Welcome to the Rose Bowl, everyone. That side over there is going to be highly disappointed. Until I get to that number 10 over there, you see? And that's all Buckeyes from here. There's Ship! What's up, Ship? And there's my sexy Craig.
Run into me.
Here we go, script. Oh, hi, go. I would clap, but I'm drinking, so sorry. Here we go.
Pretty good mix. Look how many Buckeyes are on the Washington side.
I know, right? Look at them. Washington thinking they're getting
Over
home.
here is alumni for
Poor
sure.
guys. Look at the red grown into that. Oh my gosh, this is the best Christmas present ever. Brendan, are you excited?
Yes.
What do you think the score prediction?
34-17 Buckeyes.
I'm 42-10. Of course, Ohio State. get past the freaking first down marker. Sorry. I was watching the game, not the camera, guys. Come on! Come on, Haskins! That's freaking awesome! 14-3! The Ohio State Marching Band, or as you know them, the best damn band in the land. There we got game day down here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Ohio State University Buckeyes.
Alright guys, Urban Meyer's last half of the game. There is Coach Urban in the whites. Let's get the W for this guy. You guys, it is fourth quarter and we are winning 21-3.
28.
Oh, 28-3. Thanks, babe. I forgot we scored. Anyway, look at all them quiet Washington fans. They're on that side. Buckeyes start from there all the way around. Yeah, Buckeyes. The last play of the game, y'all. This is it. Here we go.
Okay.
Hey. Happy New Year! Hey, Happy New Year and good to meet new friends. And we love you guys. Yeah.